This is Heronrib, one of the leading mats in bathing and washing areas. Basically, these are the same mats used at swimming pools and across many commercial places. It's anti-slip, made out of strong PVC, has antifungal additives to ensure it stays hygienic, automatically self-drains when large amounts of water is applied, adapts to your body heat when walked on barefoot, and the list of benefits goes on. Now, Heronrib matting here in the UK is sold by the metre. It's not cheap. You're looking around £40 to £50 for half a metre by 1 metre. It also comes in different colours. To cut this, you need to lay it flat, apply pressure and cut with a sharp blade Stanley knife. Now, we bought this matting for the wet room. As you can see, it has been laid down really well in 2 pieces. No clips has been attached. Blends in really well with the wet room design. Underneath are porcelain tiles. Now, I did not go ahead with electric underfloor heating with the porcelain tiles, as the result was not up to my expectations. So after researching, I came across Heronrib matting, which ticks all the boxes. The water will flow off towards the shower drain, as the bottom floor has been already made as a slope. It's comfortable to stand, sit and walk on. It's warm, which adapts to your barefoot body heat even when the room temperature is cold. So after carrying out a quick shower or ablution, the remaining excess water can be easily wiped away. If you guys have an open wet room area, consider looking into the Heronrib mats. Take care guys, peace.